What's up guys, it's Jamie, welcome back. I was about to get a quick workout in when this little guy just showed up. I had ordered both the Space Gray and the white HomePod minis. The Space Gray, I believe, is in here. Was being delivered today. The white one I think is being delivered tomorrow. I had ordered both of them. I've been using, in terms of speakers, I've been using this thing for the past, 3 years or so. It's just the JBL Charge 3, and I thought that it was a good opportunity to look at potentially upgrading. So when the HomePod mini came out, I thought it's something to just check out a little bit, and I wanted to get both colors so I can compare them both. So what I'm going to do is just unbox this guy real quick. First look, first impressions. When the white one comes in, I'll compare them both and give my overall review. So the packaging on the box is kind of cool. It's like built-in little tab here. So let's pop this open. Okay, that's pretty awesome. I honestly, when I got the package, I didn't know what this was. It seemed such a small couple of boxes to hold the speaker. It's pretty cool packaging. Packaging is pretty cool. Like how they have this on the top. This thing is so cool looking. It's got a little bit of a funk to the smell. Just the fabric on it. It's interesting. Very odd. So here we have the speaker itself. We'll pull this out, we'll put this off to the side. See what else we have in here. Charging brick. And that's it. Not a whole lot. You got this. This is nothing. In here, just giving you some instructions. Nothing super exciting. And then just a sticker. Wow. All right, let's move on to the speaker. Let's fold this off. Cool little Apple logo. So the cord is pretty nice. It's a nice braided material, and I do like that it coordinates with the speaker. Nicely braided, high quality cord. It kind of sucks that the power brick is not the same color. It'd be cool if this was black as well, or space gray. Rip this off. Pretty standard. Looking at the speaker, one concern is going to be this and just the smudging of it. But from a size standpoint, it's a very cool, kind of cute looking speaker. I do like the color. It does have a little bit of a smell in the fabric, which is interesting. Just from a size comparison, this is JBL Charge 3. This is a pretty small portable speaker that I have right now is for Bluetooth compared to the HomePod mini. I'm really curious to see what the sound quality is like out of these two. To give even better reference, I just popped my refrigerator and I got a pomegranate. This is legit pomegranate size. They are almost the exact same size. So this can pump out some good sound while also giving, the good overall like Siri connectivity, it could be a pretty nice little package here. I've never been like a big smart speaker person. I literally just use this thing for the most part. Like it's in the bathroom when I shower, I bring it out to the pool, to the beach. When I look at what I paid, I think when I bought the JBL Charge 3, I think it was like $139. So I'm somewhat hopeful that maybe this can produce similar sound, but also you have the added benefits and technology of Siri built into it. So that's really one of the main reasons why I wanted to get this speaker. Having to have it plugged in, I think, could be kind of annoying. I don't necessarily move this around all that much, but the added features of having Siri could make it something that you have in certain areas throughout your house. I just want to see how usable it is. If I don't use like the Siri functionality or the other technology that's built into it, and it's more so just for music, then I think this could technically be a waste. So that's all I have in this video, guys. I just want to do a quick unboxing and first look of the Space Gray HomePod Mini. Like I said, when the white one comes in, I'll do a video on that one as well, just to compare the two. And then I'll also follow up with a video just giving my overall review and thoughts and feelings of the speaker itself, looking at sound quality and whether or not like I find the technology to be anything beneficial. For the most part, when I'm using like these speakers, it's mainly for sound, and I haven't really been someone that's wanted like the added features, but I think that there's been enough advancements to where I think it's a technology that I want to actually evaluate for myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look. If you could, before end, just give it a quick like, subscribe to my channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video.